Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is the width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. So in the front we have a door here. After that we will go inside. So on the left side we have living area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit arrangement, and also library section here. And we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of living area. And on the right side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have a dining counter with two chairs and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation. And if we go inside, so on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, two large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the right side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached powder room here. With this room you can see here the water closet and the ventilator for ventilation of this powder room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.